Testing a permanent split capacitor blower and a variable speed electronically commutated motor blower requires different diagnostic focuses because their control and power electronics differ. For a PSC blower, we concentrate on confirming line voltage at the motor, verifying the capacitor value with a meter rated for capacitance, and checking the correct speed tap continuity and resistance values against the motor nameplate. Measure motor current under load and compare to nameplate full load amperage to detect winding or mechanical issues. Inspect the centrifugal switch if present or any thermal overloads, and listen for bearing noise that raises current without electrical faults. For an ECM blower, start by verifying the 24-volt control signal from the thermostat or control board and ensure the common reference is healthy. Use a dedicated module tester such as the Techmate Pro to exercise the control module and read fault codes or communication errors, and follow the tester prompts to isolate module failures. If no dedicated tester is available, measure the 3-phase direct current resistance across the motor windings at low resistance scale and compare to manufacturer service data, and check for open or shorted windings and damaged insulation. Common mistakes include assuming a PSC and an ECM motor behave the same electrically, which leads to swapping capacitors or speed taps and not addressing a failed control module. When that happens, measure control voltages first and resist replacing mechanical parts. A second issue is misinterpreting high current as a motor electrical failure when it is actually a mechanical restriction, such as a collapsed duct or seized bearings. Resolve this by confirming airflow and rotating the shaft by hand with power removed. Third, technicians often skip verifying 24-volt control and common wiring, which causes chasing the motor instead of fixing a thermostat or control board fault. Trace and test the control circuit and use a multimeter to confirm stable 24-volt presence during calls for blower operation. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide a discussion community where people share experiences and ask practical questions about HVAC diagnostics and repairs. We help contractors find work by letting them participate in conversations, showcase their knowledge, and respond to homeowner posts.